Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I want to show you something very interesting, which is a season of a walnut now. I have a pecan tree, but of course my beautiful squirrels, they eat them. And this is a walnut pecan cutter, which is a squirrel. So he'll eat all my walnut. He doesn't leave me anything. So I have to go and buy it. Well, usually Thanksgiving time, New Year, Christmas time, it's a season of the walnut, which we buy a lot, which my husband, he goes, he buys them, and we use a lot the walnut in, I want to show you here too, full of basket of walnut. We use it for so many kind of dishes, muhammara, baklava, we make pickle out of it, we make so many good things. We make a lot of sweet. Our grandmother, she used to do, I have two grandmas, of course, they both gone, but they used to do it and we used to help them. So what do we need? All those beautiful walnuts, we don't want to let them go for waste. If they stay for so long, it changes the taste. So for holiday time, we use a lot, and sometimes we can put this in a freezer. So now, when we have to make a lot of sweet or dishes and we want to clean them faster, which is, it's very inexpensive when you buy at this time. You will find walnut for $1.99, $1.25 a pound. So that's why we buy it and we use it this way. So what do I have to do? I'm going to show you how you can peel them very easy. The walnut, that's what my grandma, she used to do it. We have to have a pan, and it has just regular water, and we put the walnut in it. Let me show you closer, maybe you can see better. This is the pan, and you see just regular water in it, and I have to put some walnut in it, and I'm going to boil it about maybe 6, 7, maybe 8 minutes, something like that. And what it's going to do is, because the walnuts, they have a little hole in the back, they get a little bit softer, the skin, the shell. And what's going to do, it will make it very, very easier to peel it. Now that I put on the stove, I'm going to put the timer 7 minutes. We'll put this 7 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes will be ready. What it's going to do is the shell, it's going to get softer. And when it's get a little softer, even you can cut it, smash it with your hands. So now, I bought this little squirrel over here. This was always on my table. Giving the courage to squirrel to come over to eat my pecans, because it's such a tall tree, I cannot pick them up. The lower one I do, the top part, they'll come and they'll enjoy my pecans. So this is a walnut, of course. Now that I put it, I'm going to tell you that it's very, very easy to break that, which I did couple over here already. You can break them out from inside of the shell full like this. Sometimes, of course, it breaks. But look, majority they can come this. If it's no, it's fine. And what we do with this, I'm going to make another time, very delicious Armenian sweet, which we call sujuk. We put them on a string and we dip it in a sweet and we hang them, and holiday time or any time, we enjoy it. That's one of my favorite candy, I can say. And I put over here a little cold water so I can take it out and put it in a cold water. And you can make all kind of dessert with this. I have a video. If you go on my playlist, you can see the push on the videos, and you can see a lot of things with walnut that I've done. You will see here. It's boiling for 5 minutes exactly. There you go. I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to put in a colder water so I can handle it. And I want to show you when you smash it with your hands, you heard the noise? You can just hold like this, and you can smash it. And I want to say this to you, that because it's boiling and the bottom part it's open, you see it might get a little bit water in it. Please do not put away while it's wet, because you don't want them to get mold. So what you can do, you can put back in the oven for a few minutes, in a low heat, just to dry, unless you're going to use it fresh, which I'm doing this because I need to do fresh. I'm going to show you something very delicious with the persimmon, what you can do with it. See, there is some water in it because from the bottom it absorbs. So make sure that when you do this, make sure you enjoy it. You'll eat it. Otherwise, you don't want to keep that wet, not to get moldy. And you have to enjoy it this way. It breaks it very, very, very easy. And it comes whole, it comes whichever you want. Like I said, we make walnut dessert and we put them on a string, and it will be very delicious when you eat like this. Well, I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. And now, like I said, it's a Christmas, holiday, New Year. It's the season. Go buy it and enjoy it, because it's inexpensive. You can clean them, you can put in a freezer, and anytime you want, you can take it out and you can use for any kind of dishes. Please like and subscribe, and I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.